Have you ever wondered why some people use credit cards to travel the world for free, while others drown in debt they can't escape? The truth is simple. A credit card is neither good nor bad. It's a powerful financial tool. But like fire, it can warm your home or burn it down. Today, I'm going to explain credit cards in a way you've never heard before. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them to build wealth, not debt. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a credit card? At its core, a credit card is simply borrowed money that you're trusted to pay back. But here's the trap most beginners fall into. They treat it like free cash. It's not. Every swipe is a mini loan. And if you don't pay it back on time, the bank punishes you with interest rates that can be higher than 30%. Imagine paying double for the same pizza just because you delayed payment. Sounds crazy, right? Yet millions fall into this trap every single day. But here's where it gets exciting. Credit cards also come with something magical: credit scores. Think of your credit score as your financial reputation. It decides whether banks trust you or reject you. Pay on time, and your score climbs. Miss payments, and your score crashes. And why does that matter? Because with a high score, you get lower interest rates on loans, easier approvals, and even better job opportunities in some industries. In other words, your credit card isn't just about shopping. It's about shaping your financial future. Now, let's talk about rewards. This is where smart people flip the game. Ever heard of cashback, points, or airline miles? These are not just fancy marketing tricks. They're banks literally paying you for spending. But here's the catch. If you don't pay your balance in full every month, those rewards mean nothing. Imagine earning 500 Indian rupees in cashback while paying 2,000 Indian rupees in interest. It's like winning a free coffee after paying for an entire cafe. The key is discipline. Spend only what you can pay back. But wait, here's a question most people ask. How many credit cards should you have? 1? 3? 10? The truth is, there's no magic number. What matters is how you manage them. Some experts say beginners should start with just one card to build credit history. Others argue that multiple cards can give you better rewards and a higher credit limit. But here's the golden rule. Never open cards you can't control. Too many cards can tempt you into overspending. Here's another secret banks don't want you to know. Minimum payments. When you see that little number on your bill, it feels harmless, right? Wrong. That's the trap. Paying only the minimum is like treading water while the debt keeps rising above your head. If you owe 50,000 Indian rupees and only pay the minimum, it could take years, sometimes decades, to become debt-free. And by then, you'll have paid the bank double or even triple the original amount. That's how banks get rich, off your laziness. Don't fall for it. So, how do you use credit cards the right way? Here's the formula. Treat them like debit cards. Yes, you heard me. Only spend money you already have. Pay your bill in full every single month. Set up autopay so you never forget. And never, ever use your card for cash withdrawals. That's financial suicide. With these habits, you'll not only stay debt-free, you'll also build a bulletproof credit score over time. Let's talk about the advanced strategies now. Did you know some people use credit cards to fund businesses, earn free travel, or even invest? It's called credit card hacking. For example, if you sign up for a new card, you may get a welcome bonus of 20,000 Indian rupees points just for spending a certain amount. Those points can buy flights, hotel stays, or gift cards. Some entrepreneurs even rotate cards to maximize rewards while keeping debt under control. But be warned, this strategy is only for disciplined users. If you're impulsive, stay away. Now, let's break a myth. Many beginners think closing a credit card will improve their score. In reality, it often hurts. Why? Because your score partly depends on your credit history length and your credit utilization ratio. When you close a card, you reduce your available credit and shorten your history. Unless the card has huge fees, keeping it open, especially your oldest card, is usually the smarter move. Finally, let's ask the million-dollar question. Should you even use credit cards? Some experts say cut them up and go cash only. Others say you can't live without them in today's world. The truth is in the middle. If you are disciplined, a credit card is one of the most powerful tools to build wealth, earn rewards, and protect your money. If you're careless, it's a ticket to financial slavery. The choice, as always, is yours. So here's my challenge for you. The next time you swipe your card, pause and ask, am I buying freedom or debt? Your answer to that question will define your financial future. And before you go, if you found this helpful, make sure to check out my video on stock market basics for beginners, where I break down investing step by step. Trust me, if you're serious about building wealth, you don't want to miss it. Click on the end screen now.